Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the remote machine runs an RDP server and that port 3389 is reachable. Install an RDP client now, for example, Remina for GUI or Xfreerd for command line, because you'll need both convenience and control. Once installed, test connectivity with ping and a port check, and make sure local and remote firewalls permit the RDP port. This prevents connection failures later. This first phase gets you from 0 to a validated client and reachable host quickly. Once done with prerequisites, open your RDP client and configure connection details. You want protocol, IP, and credentials entered correctly because authentication stops most issues. If you prefer the terminal, run Xfreerd with the /v, /u, and /p switches, and add /certignore only if you understand the security trade-off. Make performance tweaks, reduce color depth, or disable wallpaper to improve responsiveness over slow links. Finally, save a profile to avoid repeating configuration, which speeds up repeat connections. You finish by validating session features. Test keyboard, clipboard, audio, and scaling to ensure usability. These matter more than initial connection. If something breaks, inspect server and client logs for clear errors and confirm username, password, and certificate acceptance. When problems persist, restart the XRDP service, verify firewall and SC Linux or AppArmor rules, and consider an SSH tunnel for encrypted access. One key troubleshooting tip. If display is blank, try a different backend session or lower resolution. That often resolves rendering failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.